Hey everyone, welcome to CashFlow Central, your go-to channel for mastering your money and building wealth. Today, I'm going to show you how to budget your money like a pro, so you can save more, spend smarter, and reach your financial goals faster. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your budgeting skills, this video is packed with tips, examples, and tools to help you take control of your finances. Let's dive in. Why budgeting is important. Budgeting isn't just about limiting yourself. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going and making it work for you. Did you know that over 70% of people don't have a written budget? This often leads to overspending, debt, and financial stress. By budgeting, you can plan for emergencies, save for goals like buying a house, or investing for the future. Example: imagine spending $500 a month on things you don't really need. Over a year, that's $6,000. Budgeting helps you control that. Step 1: track your income and expenses. The first step in budgeting is to know how much money is coming in and going out. List all your income sources: salary, side hustles, investments, anything that adds money to your account. Then, track all your expenses, fixed costs like rent and bills, and variable costs like groceries, dining, and entertainment. Tools: apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Excel spreadsheet make this process easy. Example: if your monthly income is $3,000 and your expenses are $2,800, you need to identify areas where you can save $200 to grow your savings. Step 2: categorize your spending. Next, divide your expenses into categories. A common breakdown is needs, rent, groceries, utilities; wants, entertainment, dining, hobbies; savings, debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, loans. Example pie chart: housing 40%, food 20%, entertainment 10%, savings 20%, misc 10%. Visualizing your spending helps you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Example tip: if you spend $300 per month on dining out, consider reducing it to $150. That's an extra $150 saved every month. Step 3: set a realistic budget. Now, set spending limits for each category. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment. Example: income, $3,000. Needs, $1,500. Rent, utilities, groceries. Wants, $900. Entertainment, dining, shopping. Savings, $600. Emergency fund, investments. Adjust these percentages based on your personal goals or debt repayment plan. Tip: track weekly to see if you're on target, and make small adjustments as needed. Step 4: review and adjust regularly. Budgets aren't set in stone. Check your spending weekly and monthly. Ask yourself, did I overspend in entertainment? Did I save more than expected? Small adjustments make a big difference over time. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Tip: use apps or reminders to track your progress and keep yourself accountable. Extra tips to boost savings. 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. 2. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions monthly and cancel what you don't use. 3. Cashback and reward apps. Use apps like Rakuten or bank cashback programs to earn money while spending. 4. Meal planning. Plan your meals weekly to reduce food waste and save on groceries. 5. Side hustles. Freelancing, selling products online, or tutoring can help boost your income. Example: even small changes like reducing coffee purchases or dining out twice a week can save $100–200 a month. And that's how you can budget your money like a pro. Start tracking, categorizing, and adjusting your budget today, and you'll see your financial confidence grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to CashFlow Central, hit the like button, and comment below with your favorite budgeting tip or question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips to grow your wealth.